This is a 30-inch outlet. It comes with a 10-foot cord. It's metal structure and it's 15 amp rated. You get 4 anchors and screws. I'm going to use my own. And I want to hang this up somewhere like about so. So what I am going to do is simply find my spot. I'm going to lock it down the angle I like so, right here. And then I'm going to come to the bottom and lock it down as well. I'm going to plug this bad boy in. It has a right angle. It has a off and on switch. 12 outlets to choose from, and the polarity protected, and I'm charging my batteries on one. I'll charge another battery on the other, and if I need to run a saw or something, I have the option to plug in, and I'm able to run. So wherever you need power, a strip, at your workbench, garage, hang it up, wherever. I hope this product may be something you're looking for. It's colorful, black and yellow, made of metal, 30 inches with 12 outlets, 15 amp rated. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.